Shoot. Walking through a dang maze up in this piece. Look. 37. Where you at? Holla back. Holla if you hear me, 37. Goodness gracious. That's what I get for not looking at the map. Probably wouldn't have found it anyway. Shoot. Craziness. Crystal! Yo, Crystal. I ain't got no sense. There's water. Feels good though. Watch this. Ma'am, do you know where building 37 is? Building 37. What's that one? One? And they go around that. Yeah. I already been around that way. What's that one right there? That's 7. I just did it. Watch y'all, dog. I'm about to get ate up. Get out of here with that. I just walked that far. Thank you, ma'am. This apartment is over in there? Okay. I just left that. Thank you, ma'am. Like treasure hunt. I know y'all laughing at me. Yeah, I passed by. That's where I parked. So this way? All right, cool. Thank you, ma'am. Look at this. Hating every second of this. I should call the customer and say, hey, meet me by the pool. Shoot, let me go around here. If I don't find it, like, meet me at the pool. You need to start meeting folks at the gate when you live in a community this large. Watch me not be able to find my car. 31, building 31, huh? Huh, looking for 37. Do you happen to know? No? You don't know what 37 is? No? Huh? Oh, 35, I'm getting close, building 37.
35, I think 37 on the other side.
Other side of that one? Lord, have mercy. Thank you so much. Now there's 37 right there.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Walk for like 10 minutes. I'm not even playing. All right, guys. I just had to record this because I know y'all go through the same thing. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Deuces.